kufahamika kwamba Mungiki imeweza kurudi, lakini wao pia wanaunda Mungiki yao, kwa sababu kuambia wabunge wakati tunajua usalama na sheria inalindwa na polisi. Hao ndio peke yake wamepewa fursa kikatiba na kisheria kuhakikisha kwamba kila mtu ana usalama katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo akisema kwamba wabunge warudi makwao wakaweze kuangalia mambo ya kupambana na watu wa maandamano, hiyo kwa kusema ukweli ni jambo la kusikitisha kwa mtu ambaye ni kiongozi wa nchi. Wamepokonywa ndio. Some of them have been the security has been withdrawn. Yes.
Can we know which MPs?
We can't give you the specific names. We are currently doing a roundup because of their own security also. We cannot say that so and so's security has been withdrawn. But already many of them have been withdrawn. Yes.
There were allegations that right.
Do them until you see that justice is done. You saw during the demonstrations on Wednesday that the police went out to beat somebody until he died. The guy had already surrendered, he was on the ground, but they continue beating him until he died. That is not the conduct of a police that we expect. You saw the other clip where they were destroying motorbikes which had been kept at a storage, at a parking, where the people had already run away. Why do you destroy property? And they